Here in this video we are going to clean this PC. There is horrible conditions, so now we are going to clean it. You can see how many dust there is. This is why you should regularly clean your PC. So, dust is your PC's enemy. So you always try to remove it from your PC to maintain good condition in your PC. Otherwise, your PC may fail. It is good to clean every year. Have you ever imagined that this guy would find in your PC? So this is why your PC fails to work. Clean computer is a healthy computer. So if you keep your computer clean, your PC will maintain its health. Keep it in mind and make this within every year. Every year. So now I need 4H screwdriver to open power supply and then see what is happening inside there. Bakacağız. Look how dusty it is. Can you imagine what can cause this dust to your computer? So now we can screw out these 4 screws to see what is happening inside this PC power supply. Always try to keep your PC clean. Always try to keep your room clean. It is necessary for your PC to be healthy. But sometimes we forget to clean. But when something strange voices come out from your computer, this is the sign that your personal computer needs to help. Always try to help him when it needs. Remove this cycled wire, remove this cover from the power supply, and now you can see so dirty it is. What can cause this dust to your PC? You can see also that there is swallowed condensators. So it means that this power supply will not continue its life, and its life is very short now because these capacitors is swallowed. So sometimes you must check how are their conditions. So this blue one is swallowed up. I can feel that it's swallowed. Also, you can see in this video that this capacitor is swallowed up. So this is the sign that this power supply has not longer life left. So now we have to clean this dust. Also you can see that here in this connectors, when there is too much dust, they have become some shorts that can make damage your PC, your motherboard, your GPU, your CPU, your RAM. So this is very necessary to removing this dust from your power supply from your computer regularly. Do it. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. So, what can cause this to your capacitors, to your condensators? It can damage them. Look at this, look at this. Now I'm gonna use this fan to clean it completely. So now I'm gonna use my tweezer to remove this scratched dust in this power supply. Look at this. Horrible condition there was. So now they are clean. Also I'm gonna lubricate this fan to, you can see that it is not rotating easily. So now when I lubricate this fan, it will rotate very easily. So we can see that right now. I'm gonna removing this cover. Chance? Yeah. So now I'm gonna remove this rubber. And now to lubricate this fan, I'm using car engine oil. It's very nice to use for your fan to lubricate them. 1 or 2 drops is enough. That's enough. So now I'm gonna cover this rubber. That's all. It's ready. You can remember how hard it was rotating. Now you can see how easily it rotates. This is why this oil is needed to make regularly. So easily it rotates. Nice job. Job is done. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel, you can subscribe.